Murphy Asset Capture, or MAC, is a geo-coordinated, BIM enabling, Level 1 descriptive digital twin platform. It is a combination point cloud and 360 imagery into a versatile immersive space, allowing better remote access, improved collaboration and asset management. MAC can be used by facility and asset managers and owners at any stage of the building lifecycle. The platform is a great first step into a digital transformation. It allows asset owners to virtually engage with FM, health and safety and spatial planning remotely, as well as improve sustainability with reduced site access to hard-to-reach zones and remote locations. The platform can be enhanced with BIM enabling Murphy Geospatial plugins via the Open API. This is including BIM 360, now ACC, BIMtrack, and bespoke MGS 3D layer plugins. At its core, there is a strong survey data network. This is crucial to allow for repeated verified captures and connections into the BIM model. Health and safety departments can use MAC to access their sites remotely at many different stages. They can use a 360-degree imagery to monitor any near misses or do validation reports afterwards for any site change condition reporting. The online platform ensures that the point cloud and 360 imagery are centrally located on the intuitive platform. This is all accessible via the web browser and can be accessed via laptop, phone or tablet, and through this they can mark, measure, tag, download, crop and really walk through their digital space. We've had overwhelmingly positive feedback from clients who are really entrenched in using the MAC platform and the repeated capture. By capturing your site fully with MAC, you can then use this point cloud or the 360 imagery to better understand what your potential can be